If the normal to the ellipse 3x square plus 4y square is equal to 12 at a point P on it is parallel to the line 2x plus y is equal to 4 and a tangent to the ellipse at P passing to the point Q into bracket 4 comma 4, then PQ is equal to what here? Okay. So there is a ellipse here. Okay. And here is a tangent here. And a normal always perpendicular to the tangent here. Okay. Normal is a perpendicular to tangent. This normal is a parallel to the given line here. Okay. Here equation of the given line is a 2x plus y is equal to 4 here. Okay. If a normal is a parallel to the given line, then obviously tangent is a perpendicular to this given line here. Okay. And this is a tangent at the point P here, and this is a tangent passing to the point 4 comma 4 here. Then here we want this distance PQ. Okay, here we want this distance PQ. So therefore, here 3x square plus 4y square is equal to 12 here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. It is the equation of ellipse here. Okay, and 2x plus y is equal to 4 is the given line here. Okay, then the slope of this line here, slope of given line 2 is okay. So minus 2 by 1 here, it is a minus of 2. Okay, you are using the formula minus of a divided by b. Okay, minus a upon b. A value is 2 and b value is 1 here. So m is equal to minus a divided by b. It is the slope of the given line here. Okay. Then normal is parallel to the given line. Since normal at P is parallel to the given line to here, then a tangent at P is perpendicular to the 2s. Okay, because here this is normal here, normal is parallel here, then tangent is tangent at the point B is perpendicular to this line here. Okay, therefore since the normal at P is parallel to the line to here, then tangent at the point P is perpendicular to the line to here. Therefore slope of the tangent here, therefore slope of tangent is slope of the normal is minus 2 here, then slope of the tangent should be what here? 1 upon 2, because here slope of this line is minus 2 here, therefore slope of this normal is also minus 2. Okay, slope of the line is minus 2, slope of this normal is also minus 2, then slope of the tangent is what here? 1 divided by 2. Slope of this tangent becomes plus 1 upon 2, because they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, therefore the tangent is passing to the point here, passing to the point 4 comma 4 and having a slope 1 upon 2 here. Okay, therefore equation of tangent passing through the point 2 into bracket 4 comma 4 with the slope 1 divided by 2 here. Okay, 1 upon 2 is the slope of the tangent here, with the slope 1 divided by 2 is so y minus of 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket x minus 4 here. You are using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1 here. So this is the formula. Take to this side here. 2y minus of 8 is equal to x minus 4 here. Take minus for this side here. So 2y minus 8 plus 4 is equal to x here. Minus 4 plus 4 minus 8 plus 4 becomes minus 4 here. Answer x is equal to 2y minus of 4 here. Hence x is equal to 2 into bracket y minus 2 here. Take this one as equation number 3. Okay. So put equation 3 in 1 here. Substitute here. So put equation 3 in the equation 1 here. Okay. Therefore 3 into bracket 2 into y minus 2 whole square plus 4y square is equal to 12 here. So use here. Put x equal to 2 into y minus 2 here. Okay. Then square here. Square. Okay. Then 3 into under 2 square is 4 here. Okay. So 2 square becomes 4y minus 2 whole square. Y minus 2 whole square is y square minus 4y plus 4 here. Then plus 4y square that is equal to 12 here. Is equal to 12. Okay. 3 into 2 square is 4. Okay. So right here 4. Y minus 2 whole square is y square minus 4y plus 4 plus 4y square is equal to 12 here. And dividing both sides by 4 here. Dividing both sides by 4 it gives 3 into y square minus of 4y plus 4 plus y square is equal to 3 here. Take 3 inside the bracket here. 3y square. So 12y plus 12 plus y square minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3y square plus y square 4y square here. Minus of 12y. 12 minus 3 becomes 9 here. Plus 9 is equal to 0. Plus 9 equal to 0. Then simplify 4, 9 4 is 36 here. Therefore, two numbers are 6 and 4 here. 6 and 6. Okay. So 4y square minus of 6y minus 6y plus 9 that is equal to 0. Then from these two terms here, 2y is the common factor here. 2y minus of 3 here. And from these two, so minus of 3 is the common factor. 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Hence 2y minus 3 into 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Hence y is equal to 3 divided by 12. Y is equal to 3 upon 2. Put y is equal to 3 upon 2 in the equation 3. Okay. So put here y is equal to 3 divided by 2 in the equation 3 here. So therefore x is equal to 2 into bracket here y value is 3 by 2 here. So 3 divided by 2 minus of 2 here. Therefore this 2 into 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 upon 2 here. So this is equal to minus 1. 2 2 cancels here. So x is equal to minus of 1 here. Okay. Therefore x is minus 1 and y is 3 by 2 here. Therefore coordinate of point P here. P is equal to minus 1 3 divided by 2. Okay. Coordinate of this point is minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So use the distance formula. Therefore PQ is equal to root of so 4 plus 1 whole square. So 4 plus 1 whole square plus Then 4 minus 3 by 2. So 4 minus 3 divided by 2, it's a square here. Therefore root of 4 plus 1 is a 5. 5 square is a 25. So it is a 25 plus 4 2 is a 8. 8 minus 3 is a 5. 5 by 2 here. 5 by 2 square is a 25 divided by 4 here. Therefore root of so 25 is the common factor here. 1 plus 1 divided by 4. And the square root of 25 is a 5. Then the root of so 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 becomes a 5. 5 divided by 4. Therefore so this is equal to 5 root 5 divided by 2 here. Therefore required distance is a 5 root 5 by 2. Therefore A is the answer here, first option. Okay, 5 root 5 divided by 2. This distance is a 5 root 5 divided by 2.